Hello everyone, welcome back to FIXsage. In this video, I will show you how to download and install the Postman app on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. So without further delay, let's begin. First, we need to download the app. For that, open any web browser of your choice. I am opening Google Chrome and go to the postman.com/downloads. Hit the enter key. It will show the downloading page where you can find the appropriate installer file to download. Click on this Windows 64-bit. The installer file will start downloading. Here it is. So wait for the download to complete. Once the download finishes, double click on the installer. Postman will automatically install. No need for advanced setup. So close this browser. It may take a minute depending on your system. After the installation, Postman will open automatically. So this is the Postman welcome page. You can sign in with your Google, GitHub or other accounts. If you don't have an account, you can create one account and log in. After the installation, if it is not opens, then we can open it from the desktop. Check is there any Postman desktop shortcut is available or not. It's there, Postman shortcut. Double click on it to open. If desktop shortcut also not available, so you can go to search for Postman. There it is. Click on that, so it will open. When you launch it, it will show like this. If you want to test, just go to the creating a new request. Which request you want to create, select appropriate that and follow the steps. You will see the Postman is fully working on Windows. And you have successfully installed Postman on your Windows 10 or 11. That's it. If this tutorial helped you, please like, share and subscribe to FIXsage for more app installation guides. Thank you for watching.